Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide all indicators on TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide all the indicators on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app, guys, you'll land on this interface where you can see the chart button at the bottom left corner of the screen just beside the watch list. Tap on the chart button, and over here, guys, you can see the pen icon available for us. Tap on the pen icon or the pen button over here, and you can see, guys, currently I'm on the tool section over here, but if you are somewhere else other than the tools, then tap on the tool section over here. You can swipe it also. You can see, just tap on the tools and you'll land over here where you can see currently there it says the hide drawings over here. But if you tap on the three dotted icon just beside it, there is the hide indicators button available for us. Either tap on it and you can see all of your indicators will be hidden. Let's again go to that section by tapping on the pen icon, and you can see you can tap on the hide again and hide again. So with that being done, guys, you can see this is how you will be able to hide or unhide your indicators. Or you can also just tap on the eye icon on the three dotted icon where it appears. If you tap on the three dotted icon over here, also it will directly hide your or unhide your indicators on your charts. And with that being said, guys, this is how to hide your indicators on your chart on the TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.